Hi friends, welcome to Awesome Hairstyles channel, but before jumping into our hair tutorial, I decided to share my head and pain relief. As you know, I'm a hair and makeup artist, so I work a lot and I have often headache and of course neck pain because of my position when working. But I decided to share my head and pain relief today, which is Sleep&GLOW Omnia pillow. It looks like that. It has clinically proven results, and also I used it for more than 2 months and I see very nice results. First of all, I was surprised that I don't have that neck and head pain anymore. I cannot recommend it enough because of the school season, and let's be honest, studying is not that easy, so we have this uncomfortable position. Also, we use our phones, computers when working, and we have this unusual position for our body. I would recommend it to that students that need to rest well when they're sleeping. Guys, I would like to share my discount code with you so you can buy your pain relief as well. So here's my discount code. Also, I'll leave my discount codes in the info bar, so make sure to check it out. So let's jump into our hair tutorial now. For the first hairstyle, we want to make our central parting. Then you want to grab a small section of hair from one side of your parting, divide it into two, and bring your front section in the back, crisscrossing them. Then you want to add more hair to the front section, twist it back, and again add more hair to the front section and twist it back. Basically, as you can see, this is a rope braid, and you want to continue it until reaching your ear level. At this point, you want to simply twist each strand one way, and then you want to twist them around each other opposite way without adding hair, and until reaching the end. So basically, twist each strand one way and then you twist them around each other opposite way. When you reach the ends, make sure to tie it with a clear elastic. Also, I decided to use a bobby pin to fix it to our scalp above our ears, like so. And you want to repeat this braid on opposite side. Done! Next one, we want to select our crown section, like I'm showing, and tie it with a clear elastic. But on last time, make sure to pull your hair halfway through, like I'm showing, leaving the ends out. Then grabbing the rest of your hair, like creating a half-up ponytail, I decided to leave some hair in the front to frame my face. And you want to tie your second ponytail right below first one. Tying your hair again on last time, halfway through, creating 2 loops. Now you want to bring your first loop through your second one to cover your elastic. Pull your first loop and pin it from the sides. Leave the ends in the back out to cover your second elastic, and you're basically done. For the next one, we want to make again a parting. Then you want to select our front sections, like I'm showing. The rest you want to divide it into 2 equal sections and create 2 ponytails. Now you want to bring your front section in the back. Make sure to brush it well and bring it to opposite ponytail like I'm showing, and tie this section with the ponytail as well. So you want to repeat on opposite side, crisscrossing your sections in the back. I absolutely love this hairstyle because I don't like this scalp showing when making pigtails. Also, because of the bow trend, I decided to add some ribbons and make 2 bows. Next, we want to select again a section of hair from one side of our parting and divide it into 2. Then you want to add more hair to the front section and bring it back, twisting it. So again, you add hair to the front section and bring it back, twisting it. So you want to continue these steps over and over again until you have no more hair to add. And then you want to tie your created ponytail using a clear elastic. On last time, make sure to pull your hair halfway through. Pull a little bit your crown section to make it full and voluminous. Grab your ends, twist it lightly and bring it over and under your bun and tuck into the elastic the ends like I'm showing. Pull it a bit to make it fuller and voluminous and repeat on opposite side. Basically, you select the section of hair, divide it into 2, bring your front section back, add more hair to the front section, twist it back. So again, you want to add more hair to the front section and twist it back. So you want to continue the steps over and over again until you have no more hair to add and tie this construction with a clear elastic. Last time, don't forget to pull your hair halfway through. Then you're grabbing your ends, you want to lightly twist it, bring it over and under your bun and tuck it into the elastic the ends, pinch and pull to make it full and voluminous, and our double row braid hairstyle is ready. Next, we'll make again our central parting. Select our front section. Remaining hair you want to brush it well and tie it with a clear elastic, creating a middle ponytail. Pull a little bit your crown section to make it nice and voluminous. Grab your front sections. I leave my bangs in the front again, crisscross them in the back and tie it underneath your created ponytail with a clear elastic. Tighten it and your beautiful middle ponytail is ready. Next, gathering all our hair into a low ponytail, make sure to brush everything nice and smooth. Then you want to make an opening through your ponytail and bring the ponytail through this opening. Divide your ponytail into 2 equal sections and make with each of it a super simple 3-strand braid. Tie the ends with a clear elastic, pinch and pull your braid and repeat with the section left the same braid. Tie it with a clear elastic and pinch and pull to make it fuller and voluminous. Then again, I decided to grab a ribbon and tie a bow to accessorize my hairstyle. Next, leaving my hair in the front to frame my face, I'll select my hair to create a half-up ponytail like I'm showing. I'll make sure to brush everything nicely. And I'll tie this half-up ponytail with a clear elastic. And last time, I'm tying it halfway through. Divide your ends into two, make an opening through the ponytail created, and bring your loop up like so. Pull it to make it fuller and voluminous like I'm showing, and our half-up hairstyle is ready. For the next one, we'll make a very wide zigzag parting. This is the key for this hairstyle. Then you want to make sure everything is nice and smooth, so make sure to brush it well and use some product to smooth out your hair. You want to create a ponytail by tying it with a clear elastic. Divide your ponytail into two equal sections and twist each section one way and then twist them around each other opposite way. Yes, this is again a raw braid. I absolutely love raw braids, but you can make a twist-on braid or other braid you like. Make sure to wrap your braid around your base, hiding the ends, and use some bobby pins and grips to fix it well in place. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's back to school hairstyles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and please leave me your thoughts in comments down below. But that's it for today, and love you so much, and see you soon in my next video. Bye!